Fingers dance like whispers on the edge of time, each note a shadow climbing through the grime. The air is heavy but the keys feel light. I'm chasing ghosts in the velvet